What is up everybody, welcome back to another stock market video, and today is going to be a 2-minute guide on how to buy cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, from New Zealand. So let's start right now. So there's two things that you need to have before you can buy Bitcoin. One is you need a crypto wallet, and this is to store your coins, and two, you need an exchange. This is where you buy and sell your coins, which is also a place to convert your New Zealand dollars to cryptocurrency. So to sign up to both of these things, you need your personal details, which will be your name and address, and also your phone number. You'll need an email address. You'll also need some sort of New Zealand identification. I use my driver's license, and you also need a New Zealand bank account, preferably from one of the major banks. The easiest and safest wallet I've found is right here called NZX Crypto Wallet. It's a soft wallet where you just basically download it on your phone, sign up, and now you have a place to store your Bitcoin. So what comes with this wallet is that its own personal address. So what you do is after you buy the coins, you send it to this address and it will go straight to this NZX wallet. So Easy Crypto is the place where I buy my Bitcoins. After signing up, you hit instant buy and then type in the amount of money you want to spend on buying a Bitcoin and hit buy now. It then takes you to the screen here where you enter your NZX wallet location, and then the next step is basically to pay for it. And then you're done. You buy your Bitcoin and you're now sorted. So it's easy as that. I put a screenshot up of the Bitcoin that I purchased in my NZX wallet, and this whole process took about an hour from signing up to having the Bitcoin appear in my wallet. There's a transactional time that takes about 5 to 10 minutes for it to actually show up. Super quick video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.